Thinking of getting a Dogo Argentino? You're not just getting a dog. You're bringing home a warrior first. They're powerful, muscle on muscle, no wasted movement. Second, they're loyal, protective, no fear, no hesitation. Also, they were bred for purpose. Strength meets control. But yeah, that power comes with heat sensitivity and some drool. But with the right bond, they're gentle giants, protective shadows. Family first. If you're ready for strength, heart, and true loyalty, subscribe for more fearless legends.